Welcome. Come on in.
It's hard to believe. I think it's pretty incredible that we've been through all of that together.
I think Kitchen Magic turning 40 is a very proud moment in our history.
To last 40 years as a family-run company is a true statement of the founders, Mr. and Mrs. Fleck, and the way that the family has continued the tradition that they started of doing what's right.
It means so much because we did it together. It began with Mom and Dad, and we carried it on.
Getting there is a matter of pride and hard work.
It sure is exciting, and what's really exciting is that we're celebrating it with all the wonderful employees that help us get to this point.
I'll still say we have a unique culture. We are in a position where the company can grow, but at the same time, the care and consideration that's taken for the individual employees is still there.
We're just family, you know, we know everything about each other, we care about each other, we make a point to make occasions special. I love the people I work with every day.
I can't say that we go around trying to create a feeling of family or an atmosphere of family. I think it's more an outcome of how we treat each other.
The transparency with the company is just amazing. To know where we stand, whether good or bad, is something to me. I don't know if any other companies are doing anything like that.
Well, they're like doctors here. Do no harm. Don't hurt a customer. Don't hurt an employee. Do what's right. And I just love it.
It's just different, you know. The owners go out of their way to work with us and talk to us every day. They help us solve problems.
You know, Joe and Reine really wanted a place where people wanted to be happy working and do a good job. We care about the customer and the employees.
The truth is, nothing happens without our team. We may be there to inspire, to help, to support, but they really are the ones that make things happen.
To be in a family business with employees that many people have said it feels like their family too, for the culture that we have, that is a true blessing.
It's not just the family and the fact that we love one another and respect one another, but it's the people that we have with us on this journey. They're the secret, you know, they're the magic.
Everybody's got a personality, everybody's kind of a character, everybody, you know, but they fit in, and that's what makes Kitchen Magic Kitchen Magic. And if I had one word to describe Kitchen Magic, I would say home.
There is a lot of room for growth, and certainly hope that the next 40 years brings a lot of innovation and continued growth and success and fearlessness.
I can see Kitchen Magic going on with the same culture, the same family, the same sense of doing what's right for the customer.
There's a lot of dedicated people that put 100% into everything they do. We strive to give that different customer experience.
And I know the next generation, some of which are already here, are going to carry on the tradition because the name Kitchen Magic means so much to everybody that works here.
Well, let me put it this way. I learned a lot from Jost and Reine Fleck. I learned how to take risks. I learned not to be afraid to take risks. I learned that always be prepared. Put the work in up front, and the rest will follow.
And one thing that he always said that will always stick with all of us is make yourself useful. Get to work. He would say, just do it then. Whatever needs to be done, stop talking about it, just do it.
I think our founder would be very happy, very proud that Kitchen Magic has achieved 40 years in business.
I'm hearing my parents in my head every day, and I can't tell you what those phrases are or what those things are. But I tell you, if my parents were here, they'd be right there with us. They would be walking through those doors very proud.
Even though they're not here in the physical sense, they're here in the spiritual sense. in a big way. And I think they would be very proud. I know they are proud.
There is something that we hear from almost every person who walks in the door at Kitchen Magic, which is, it feels good in here.
Matter of fact, I know for a fact my father-in-law would have expected that we hit 40 years. And I think he would say, you know, let's celebrate it, but let's get back to work, and we have work to do.